Hey guys, Christopher here, and welcome to the 59th episode of Logo History Still Edition. And for this episode, we're going to take a look at Walmart and IKEA. So now, without further ado, let's get started. Walmart was requested by Agent Milton, and IKEA was requested by Johannes the Great. So go check out their channels by clicking the link in the description below. Alright, first let's start with Walmart. Here's a short bio for those of you who don't know what Walmart is. It is an American multinational retail corporation that operates a chain of hypermarkets, also called supercenters, discount department stores, and grocery stores from the United States, headquartered in Bentonville, Arkansas. The company was founded by Sam Walton in nearby Rogers, Arkansas, in July 2nd, 1962, and incorporated under Delaware General Corporation Law on October 31st, 1989. It also owns and operates Sam's Club retail warehouses. As of October 31st, 2021, Walmart has 10,566 stores and clubs in 24 countries, operating under 28 different names. The company operates under the name of Walmart in the United States and Canada as Walmart de Mexico and Central America, and in Mexico and Central America as Flipkart, and as Flipkart Wholesale in India. It has wholly owned operations in Chile, Canada, and South Africa. Since August 2018, Walmart holds only a minority stake in Walmart Brazil, which was named Grupo Big in August 2019. With 20% of the company's shares and private equity firm Advent International holding percent ownership of the company. I'm not going to read the second paragraph because I already read it, so I'm going to ignore it. Sorry guys, but I have to do it. Anyways, I'm going to read the third paragraph. Their key people are Greg Penner, chairman, and Doug McMillan, president CEO, and their website is walmart.com. Alright, now let's get into the logos. 1950 to 1961, here we have the logo of the first Walmart's name, Walton's 5 and Dime. Here we have the word Walton's in black text, and under it, here we have the two words on the left. I mean the three words on the left. 5 cents and 10 cents in black text, and on the right here we have the three words $1 and up in black text. So yeah. 1961 to 1962. Now, the words 5 cents and 10 cents have been removed, and also the $1 and up words have been removed also. But here we just have the word Waltons, and the font has changed. 1962 to 1964. Now they changed their name to Walmart. Here we just have the word Walmart in black and blue text. 1964 to 1965. Here we have the logo. They changed their name to Walmart Discount City. Here we have a black circle, and inside it here we have the words on the top, everything for less, in it in white text, and on the bottom of the circle here we have the words satisfaction guaranteed. And in front of the black circle here we have a black rectangle, and inside it here we have the words Walmart Discount City in white text. 1965 to 1967. Here we have the word Here we have the words. Here we just have the words Walmart Discount City in black text. That's it. 1967 to 1968. Now here we have seven. Here we have 7 squares, and between the squares here we have a hyphen, and inside the first square here we have the word. Here we have the letter W, and inside the second square here we have the letter A. Here we have and in the third square here we have the letter L, and inside the fourth square here we have the letter M, and inside the fifth square here we have the letter A, and inside the sixth square here we have the letter R, and inside the last square here we have the letter T, and they're all in black text. 1968 to 1970 as a primary logo, and 1970 to 1973 as a secondary logo. Now the logo became modified. The font has changed in the 7 letters in the squares, and also the hyphen is in a square. Is in the square also. 1970 to 1973 as a primary logo, and 1973 to 1975 as a secondary logo. Now the logo became modified, and also they're inverted. 1975 to 1977. Here we just have the word Walmart in black text. 1975 to 1977 as an alternative logo. Now, same as the 1964 to 1975 logo, but they added now they made some changes here. On the top of the circle, here we have just instead "we sell for less" in white text, and also the word Walmart as the font has changed, and also the Discount City, the font has changed also. And on the very bottom of the circle, here we have they added something, the 4 words "buy, refund, or exchange" in white text. 1977 to 1982. Now the same as this logo, the 1975 logo, but the text is now blue. 1981 to 1993. Here we have the logo of the. They changed. Sorry, guys. They changed their name to Walmart, but with the hyphen. Now the font has changed. Now the font has changed. And the text is now in black and brown text. 1972 to 1970. Sorry, guys. I meant to say 1992 to 2008. Now, the text is black. The text is now blue, and between the words "wall" and "mart," instead of there being a hyphen, they replaced it with a blue star. Yeah, as a hyphen. But anyways, like I said, the text is now blue instead of brown. So yeah. 2008 to 2008 to the present. Now now here we have the word Walmart in in blue text, in light blue text, and next to it here we have like I don't know what this is. These are these are six shapes representing, to me it looks like a sun, a sunshine. I don't know what it is. But anyways, moving on. Alright, now on to IKEA. Here's a short bio for those of you who don't know what IKEA is. It is a Swedish origin Dutch headquartered multinational conglomerate that designs and sells ready to assemble furniture, kitchen appliances, and home accessories. Among the among other goods and home services, founded in Sweden in July 28, 1943, by 17-year-old Ingvar Kamprad. Um, IKEA has been IKEA has been the world's largest furniture retailer since 2008. The brand used by the group is an acronym that consists of the founders initials and those of Elm Trade, the 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 family farm where he was born, and and the nearby village Ungunjerd. I don't know how to pronounce it. Sorry about that, guys. But anyways, is hometown in Småland, southern Sweden. Their headquarters are at Delft, Netherlands. Their 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 key people are Jasper Broden, chairman and CEO of Inga INGKA Holding, and John Abrahamson Ring, chairman and CEO of the IKEA Holding, and their website is www.ikea.com. Alright, now let's get into the logos. 1951 to 1952, here we have the logo of the first IKEA's name. IKEA, but with the, I don't know what that is. I think it's an apostrophe. Yeah, but with an apostrophe on the E, on the letter E. Here we have a red shape, and inside it, here we have a shape on the top, and inside it, here we have the word Kvalitets in white text, and under it, here we have the word IKEA in white text, and under that, here we have another shape, another half shape, and it says Garanti in white text. 1952 to 1957. Now here we have here we have here we have a brown shape. To me, it kind of looks like dog. And inside it, here we have the word IKEA in white text. 1952 to 1953. Now the brown shape is a little bit brighter, and inside the brown shape there's more words. On the top, here we have the text catalog 1952 in white text, and under it, and under the word IKEA, here we have the word Agunard. I don't know how you pronounce it. Um, uh, yeah, but it's in white text, um, and it's inside, and it's on a black and white striped background. 1953 to 1955. Now, the black and white stripe background has been removed, and it's replaced with a white background. And yeah, and the words catalog 1952 and on good yard has been removed from the shape. So yeah, and also, uh, under that on the on the bottom right corner, here we have the word Angunyard. Yeah, actually, yeah, the word Angunyard is now outside of the brown shape, and it's and the and the text is now in brown, and the font has changed. 1955 to 1956. Now the shape that I explained earlier is now in yellow, and the text IKEA is now in black text. And next to that, here we have the word Angunyard in yellow text. 1956 to 1957. Here we have actually the shape is now in black, and the text is in white text, back in white text. And also under the shape and what's inside it, here we have the word Umholt in black text. 1957 to 1958. Here we have the logo of the second IKEA's name, Mobile IKEA. Here we have the shape. And actually, the yeah, actually, here we have the black shape, and then here we have a black shape, and inside it here we have the word IKEA in white text, and outside, and um and then outside, and on the left and on the right of it, on the up left and on the down right, and on the bottom right, here we have the two words mobile and Umholt in black text, and it's in a yellow rectangle background. 1958 to 1962. Now the shape is now an oval, and the text IKEA is now in black text, and yeah, it's a white oval. It's not that shape anymore, but but and here we have the word mobile and Elmholt on the top right and on the bottom. I mean, on the top left and on the bottom right, but it's the font. The font has changed, and it's now on a black background. 1962 to 1965. Here we have the logo of the third IKEA's name, Mobile IKEA, but without the apostrophe on the top of the letter E. Here we have the word mobile. Here we have the word mobile in white text, and under it here we have a white oval, and inside it here we have the word IKEA in black text, and under that, under all that, here we have the word Amholt in white text. 1966 to 1967. Here we have a white oval, and inside it here we have the word IKEA in black text, and under that, And under all that, here we have a white bold line. And inside it, here we have the words mobile, IKEA, and Almholt. Mobile, IKEA, Almholt in black text. 1967 to 1981. Now the black, the white bold line has been removed, and what's inside it, the text, and here we just have the oval. Here we just have the oval, the white oval with the word IKEA. 1981 to 1982. Now the background and the text are red. 1982 to 2019. Now the background and the text are blue, and the oval is now yellow. Here's the word mark and the alternate variant. 2019 to the present. Now the logo got modified. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today's episode. Remember to subscribe to my channel and turn on those post notifications. And remember to like the video, comment your request, what you'd like to see in Logo History Still Edition, and I'll see you next time for a brand new episode. Stay tuned for episode 60, which is gonna be Honda and Ford. Alright, guys, I gotta go. Peace out.